Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to apply for GitHub student benefits or GitHub student developer pack. Now, if you're new around here, you can see more videos on our GitHub or on our YouTube channel, not GitHub channel, but let's get started. Obviously, as you can see, here is one question: how can I sign up for GitHub student developer pack if I don't have a school issued ID? So what you can do, as you can see, is you need a current transcript, a letter on school letterhead, a screenshot of your school website that shows your name and enrollment status, and any other document that you think is relevant. What you have to do is go to GitHub Education, click Get Benefits in the top right corner, and then under which best describes your academic status, you select student. And if you have a school issued email, you can select that to add it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And then if you don't have a school issued email, you can follow the prompts to fill out the additional information. Obviously, you will be asked to upload documentation that proves your current student status. Then you just click submit. Now, obviously, there are other ways to do this. As you can see, if you go to GitHub Education, in the top navigation bar, you can click benefits right here. And from here, as you can see, you can go and get student benefits. And yeah, from here you'll just need to sign in your GitHub. Obviously, you'll need to enter your school name, describe how you plan to use GitHub, and you will need to take a picture using your computer's camera just to prove or upload proof of academic status. And then obviously that's pretty much it. You'll go through this process, and yeah, you can re-verify your academic affiliation anytime you want. If that's the case, if they don't apply you, or if they don't accept you. So that's pretty much how to do this and how to apply for GitHub student benefits. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.